Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into ClickFunnels and learning how to create a sales funnel that converts effectively. Whether you're looking to generate leads, sell products, or grow your email list, ClickFunnels makes it simple to build and manage a professional sales funnel. Let's get started. Start a new funnel. Log into ClickFunnels and head to the Funnels tab. Click Create Funnel and choose a funnel type, such as lead generation or product sales. Use the built-in templates to get started quickly. Customize your funnel steps. Each funnel consists of multiple steps, like landing pages, order forms, and thank you pages. Click on each step to customize it using the drag and drop editor. Add elements like headlines, images, and call to action buttons to match your branding. Set up integrations. Connect your funnel with email marketing tools, payment gateways, or third-party apps. ClickFunnels supports integrations with platforms like Stripe, PayPal, and MailChimp, making it easy to automate processes. Test your funnel. Before launching, test the entire funnel to ensure every step works seamlessly. Double-check links, forms, and payment processes to avoid any errors. Launch and monitor performance. Once everything is set, publish your funnel and start driving traffic to it. Use ClickFunnels' analytics to track key metrics, such as conversion rates and customer engagement, to refine your strategy. Creating a sales funnel in ClickFunnels can transform your online business by streamlining the customer journey. Have you built a sales funnel before? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.